This is my project, the Hyatt Regency walkway collapse. So for background, the Hyatt Regency was constructed on July 1980 in Kansas City by the Hyatt Corporation. The hotel lobby contained 3 walkways suspended from the ceiling, and it all spectated the dance hall below. The walkways were made out of concrete, glass, and steel, and it was all designed by Wayne G. Lischka. When the 2 walkways collapsed, it didn't fall right away. It just dropped a couple inches, then collapsed onto the first floor walkway, and then all came crashing down to the lobby. It also ruptured sprinkler systems that put victims at risk at drowning, and the main doors acted as a gate for the water to increase the risk of the survivors. There were 114 deaths and 216 injuries. This is the third floor walkway, second floor, and the first floor. The third and first floor walkways are the 2 that collapsed. So you can see this one fell onto this one and they both fell into the ground. So the failure can be explained in multiple ways. The walkway only met 60% of the city's building code requirements. Um, the original design was changed due to cost, and I'll show that in the next slide. The final design wasn't thoroughly confirmed by inspectors, and a critical issue was uncovered after collapse. Again, I'll show that in the next slide. So this was the old design, and this is the new design. This is before the initial change, and this is like at the current time of the collapse. You can see that there's one rod going through both of the platforms, and this one is split up into 2. What this does is it is more expensive, but it's more efficient and it holds more weight. This one is cheaper to make and ship and manufacture, but it is more prone to breaking due to excess load on this top platform. This is just a closer up view of the 2 connections, again, old and new. See, there's more force on this one than there is on this one. This is a newspaper clipping of the incident by the Kansas City Star. And for the aftermath, the walkway and lobby was rendered destroyed. The company who built it lost their engineering licenses in the state of Missouri, Kansas, and Texas. This is the new building that is put in its place. It kind of shows similar, but not really. Same structure. The walkways were replaced with just dining areas. And the effects on today's societies. There's extensive research and testing done on modern buildings and constructions. More care and money put towards building process to avoid silly mistakes like um, skipping a whole design flaw just for easier shipping and maybe make it cheaper to make. Um, and this entire situation was used as a model for the engineering ethics and errors. So, for example, some of the code of ethics was written after the incident, and it was greatly influenced by it. And here's my bibliography. Thank you for listening.